wonderful people. Welcome to Praxi. I know I have been really bad and not uploading any videos for the past 3 weeks. A lot of things have happened. As you can see, I'm in a new place. I moved into a new studio apartment and I've been traveling up and down to Sydney a lot, and I've been so busy setting my new apartment, which I will definitely do a walkthrough later on in another video. But right now, today, I got a few unboxings waiting. You're not going to believe it. I bought a few things, I got a few things, and I still haven't unboxed them nor used them, only because I want to do it as a video so that I can share it with all you guys. So I'm going to do a few unboxings today and I'll be uploading them one week after the other. So to start it off with, I'm going to be unboxing a beautiful keyboard and mouse combo. Okay guys, so this is what I'm going to unbox today. It's the Logitech Comfort Wave wireless keyboard and mouse combo MK550. So this is one of the latest models, not too latest, but I find this to be the most appealing thing for me. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Okay guys, I actually did something silly. I forgot to record the ending for the video of my keyboard and mouse unboxing. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will meet you all next week with another unboxing for sure. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And I will meet you next week. Until then, it's bye from Praxi and have an enjoyable week, all you lovely people.